Are you busy chasing likes and comments on social media? You don't need to. Did you know that your customers are the ones that are actually going to purchase are probably searching in your impressions? So yes, you do want to get likes and you do want to get comments because that will get the algorithm moving and your content will be seen by more people. But pay attention to your impressions. Yes, engagement is important, but in the impressions is where the people are lurking who you don't even know who they are. If you knew how many people had seen my podcast, The Wise Why, and I didn't even know it, I go into networking events and people will come up to me and go, "Oh yeah, I love your podcast." And I'm like, I didn't even know you've watched it. And they've watched it on a different platform to what I'm tracking on because it's much harder to track the how many people have watched the podcast on LinkedIn as it is watching and tracking on maybe Spotify or YouTube. So I don't necessarily know who is watching it. This morning I got a DM saying I need to know and I need this help. I didn't even know who the person was. They've been watching my content for 2 years. They've never commented. They've never liked, and I wasn't even aware they were on my radar. So they were sitting there. And if you think about this, it takes 15 months to churn these impressions into people who feel safe. Now, once somebody's converted to you and is a client, they will continue to like and comment because they know, they like, and they trust you. But in that initial stage of hunting and farming and trying to gather in those people who potentially will work with you, pay attention to your impressions. If you want to know more about how to create social media content or marketing content that will rock and communicate with your ideal client, or you want to speak with clarity and confidence, get in touch. I'm Kirsty Vanderbolk and I'm a communication strategist. And subscribe to my YouTube channel because there are over 100 tips and tricks to help you do exactly what I'm doing right now.